While you're out biking, remember, always avoid high crime areas. Never leave your bike locked outside for long periods of time, and most importantly, don't forget that no bike lock is 100% secure. We recommend you pick a redundant locking system with a quality U-lock from the Velo Bike Lock store. The average bolt cutters won't be able to break this lock, but today we're going to take some extra large bolt cutters and see how long it takes to get through. The lock itself is too thick to easily cut through even with these large cutters, so we applied metal cylinders, commonly referred to as breaker bars, to the cutter handles for the extra leverage we needed to get through this lock. After applying the breaker bars, the lock finally broke. Kindly note that all locks can be defeated with the proper tools. This U-lock is meant to prevent opportunistic theft during quick stops with next to no weight penalty. Protect your property and belongings with a lock from the Velo Bike Lock store.